world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. St. Augustine. Geographical features. Traveling becomes more and more popular nowadays. Millions of tourists go to different places during the year. They travel to see other countries and continents. Some people enjoy visiting ancient towns to see temples, where people of the past worship gods and predicted the future. Many tourists visit museums where sculptures and statues carved from marble are preserved and shown to the public. Mountain ranges also attract people by picturesque waterfalls, glaciers, and cliffs. Tourists can see caves which had been inhabited by ancient people. Green valleys with grasslands and hot springs are nice for walking. People often enjoy visiting woods with little ponds and pure streams. They can see birds living near the swamps or canals. Of course, a lot of people go to the sea to sunbathe and swim in the beautiful bays. Mystic places all over the world also attract crowds of tourists. Machu Picchu, Peru, the Kailasa Temple, India, Delphi, Greece, the Pyramids, Egypt, Stonehenge, England, and others. Choose any place and visit it. Traveling is a part of education which broadens our mind.